Hello monster friend, how are you? In the previous pill, I talked about the variable of type string or str. In this pill, continuing the topic about variables, the theme is boolean variable or bool. Example 20. Mr. Phil has a tech bar which he sells on the internet as well. As good citizen, he doesn't want to sell alcoholic beverage to minors. He would like a Python solution that separates under 18 and over 18 right in their registration. It's possible. Of course, it's always possible in Python. Uh, let's see, the variable under 18 equals false. The other variable over 18 equals true. Run the cell. Now just create a programming logic that uses these variables. We'll see how to do it in future pills. For now, it's important to know what type of variable is under 18. Yes, we use our well-known type built-in function in which Python will tell you what type of variable it is. We already know boolean type. Again, just put the variable over 18 inside the parentheses and that's it. Same answer, boolean type variable. This will also be very important in Python programmer life. Well, that's it for now. I will see on the next pill. Bye bye.